guys, out here again in beautiful Oakland, California, right here at the top of Yucaipa, and we hit this ride coming this way, coming down towards Beaumont after our Big Bear SCMM ride. But I had to hit this again and come out here and make a video because Twin Graphics, as some of you guys saw the reveal video, Twin Graphics in Calimesa, California, wrapped the bobber, and I couldn't be happier with the finished product. Bam!
Been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoe, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues, and in the dirt, down in the dirt.
So she's wrapped in a gunmetal gray, not necessarily glossy, but not matte. It's got this really nice metallic finish to it. I designed the side decal here. Now the cool thing is we did that separately, so if I get an impulse and change my mind, I can redesign that and slap on a new one. So hey, who knows, might change it up, or anything can happen, and having an open end like a plan B is always good. So I did the little B-roll for you guys, but the way the sun hits this bike, it's gorgeous. Now, don't get me wrong, I loved the flat black. I loved the Thunder Black smoke on this bike, but everybody has it. So, not everybody has bearded bobber on the side of the tank. So, and still repping my Indian logo. Man, I'm digging the way this bike looks, almost as much as I like riding it through the curves. So let's do that. Alright guys, like I was saying, we ended up taking my bike and Bombshell's bike to Twin Graphics in Calimesa, California, and it just totally worked out. She was happy to work with us, and it became just a really good deal for everybody involved. Now in the past, Bombshell and I had thought about wrapping our bikes before. We weren't set on the designs we have now, but talked to a couple places, and they were all like generic answers, like yeah, like $1,200 each bike. I'm like, what? This is a bobber. It's got one gas tank and two baby fenders. And no, but they didn't, other places didn't seem interested, so it's like, oh yeah, that'd be cool. I was like, I haven't even shown you anything. It's like, well, motorcycles are harder to wrap than cars. No, they're not. Motorcycles don't have door jambs. That's hard enough. Oh, this is my favorite turn. I don't know what it is, like it's one of the first turns I took, and I think I talk about it every time I come through here, but it's so worth it. Just wow. And it just opens up to the mountains. Just, yeah. Maybe that's why I like it. Oh shit. Chill. Oh, they're just clearing debris, so that way, fire hazards and shit like that. See lights, you never know what's going on up there. So not necessarily here, but anywhere in California. But back on topic, yeah, like, so we kind of gave up on it, and the whole ordeal ended up being this amazing thing with Twin Graphics, and Jay, I can't thank you enough for being so amazing. And from the second we walked through the door, talking to her was fantastic. Couldn't get enough of just the hospitality, and being a small business owner myself, I'm like, that's where it really is talking to the customer. And like, you don't have a job if you don't have a customer. And I'm not saying that's what she did. She didn't treat us like, you know, oh my God, money. You know what I mean? It wasn't like that. I showed her my designs, and you know, she absolutely loved the ideas that we had for the bikes, and she's still working with Bombshell on her bike because there's so many new ideas that we had for it while we started doing this. Oh, he is moving. You know, he had a good time coming through here. You know, we have all these cool little ideas for her bike, and if you're not following Bombshell Biker, she doesn't post as much as I do, but she's got a Kawasaki Vulcan 650S, my lady, and I've had that bike on this channel before, but I haven't ridden it since the new look, or at least not on the channel. And you should go over there and check her bike out. She's got some videos coming about it soon, and she'll have videos like going randomly through all, like, not necessarily every little change, but some, you know, gather some changes, post them on Instagram, stuff like that. And it's a cool military look on that Vulcan. So there's a lot of little knick-knack ideas we have. Should be pretty cool. And that's just the, you know, me and Bombshell are getting into it, and Jay's getting into it with us, and that's an amazing feeling. It's like when you're getting excited and the person doing it's getting excited, that means, you know, you've found something special. And that's when you're gonna get like the best out of everything. Creativity, you know, creativity is gonna thrive in that environment. In the cookie cutter environment, it ain't gonna do shit. You know, it's still gonna work for the most part, but a lot of times when that happens, the person bringing the stuff needs to be the one doing all this, everything. Where I had a pretty good idea of exactly what I wanted, and Jay helped me with a few things that made it look crisp, you know, like brought it to life, because this is her field, it's not my field. You know, I don't do that kind of stuff, so I don't have the expertise that she does. But our creativity coming together gave us this final product. And same thing with Bombshell, you know, like we're just getting these little ideas, and it was really cool because all this stuff just keeps coming together, and it's hard to believe when that stuff happens. So once again, Jay, I can't thank you enough for the bike. It's gorgeous. You know, I got a couple other plans in the future, so we'll have to get some of that going. All right, you guys, I'm out of here. Here's some B-roll. Stay safe and stay classy.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes.